إمام هدى لولا معرف الهدى أتى والورى في الجال قد بلغوا المدى فردوه بالعلم عن سبل الردى فردوه بالعلم عن سبل الردى رغيب فناء الفن والعدل والندى عليم العدل والمال والذكر على كل فن
Yadika akase odishia mkuu amakuwa jane National Chief Imam Asante Nkosuohene
Konkron Benson Fie Bebreni and many anantisemia. Onye ni swadi huru se opese oyesa adoye edema eye zongo community. Oni mi dwe ho. Yetu anamoba ha. Obi abedi adanse ese enye sei na edan etie. Na de eye sronko ewo ho ni se enia yi nye kremoni. Nanso enam the National Chief Imam our Dane Ghana, a symbol of peace and unity. Yehushira Sansuna Eshira Mkwama Asuna Ebusiapeni Moba Dishi Konkro PSA Ohene Kwame Frimpong ene Waya Ishira Adiama Asuna Busia ene Asante Akyem Agogo nyina na medical apoto potokasam kakrabi ansana medical samuno ama MC. Your Eminence, the National Chief Imam, the man of peace and unity in Ghana, you have become a model of study in Africa as the beacon of peace and unity. As I stand here today with immense joy and gratitude, this is truly unprecedented occasion. The grand opening of Ohene Frimpong Agogo Central Mosque. This mosque graciously gifted by our brother Ohene Frimpong, also known as the Salt of Asante Akyem. His benevolence transcends boundaries and echoes the spirit of unity and compassion. It is with great honor that we gather here in Asante Akyem Agogo to witness the inauguration of this magnificent mosque, an extraordinary testament to the harmony that can exist among diverse faiths. Today, we celebrate the generosity and goodwill of a remarkable individual, Mr. Ohene Frimpong, the CEO of Salt Media, whose unwavering commitment to fostering interfaith harmony has resulted in this remarkable gift to the Muslim community here. In a world often divided by differences, Mr. Ohene Frimpong, your selfless act serves as a beacon of hope, reminding us that this kindness knows no religious boundaries. This mosque stands not just as a place of worship, but also as a symbol of unity, tolerance, and mutual respect. Mr. Ohene Frimpong, your dedication to serving humanity, irrespective of creed, embodies the true essence of philanthropy and solidarity. Your vision and selflessness has brought forth a sanctuary where all Muslims can come together in prayer, reflecting the beauty of diversity with the shared community. Today's event is historic, and it reminds us that when compassion guides our actions, we can bridge gaps and build connections that transcend religious lines. Let us all take inspiration from Mr. Ohene Frimpong, the salt of Asante Akyem Agogo, as a catalyst for
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين رأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا
آمين 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 Nana Frimpong, this prayer is for you. May God ease your affairs for you and make you progress. May God not disgrace and debase you.
من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم آمن الرسول بما أنزل إليه من ربه والمؤمنون كلنا آمن بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله لا نفرق بين أحد من رسله وقالوا سمعنا وأطعنا غفرانك ربنا وإليك المصير لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها
Yes, nie kwan mu obiara nie kwan mu national chief imam Oba nanso be kasa obiara nie kwan na be kasa
Baki! Also!